Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from your Phantom wallet. This is going to be an easy process. Make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video useful. Now, you can directly withdraw from your Phantom wallet, so we're going to use an intermediate called Swissborg. Swissborg is a very easy to use platform to switch from crypto to cash in a direct way. To sign up for Swissborg, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or you can go to the very first comment, which is pinned, will have the same exact link. Once you click on it, you will be directed to this page and you will see the code GUMMY5. This will help you to sign up and affiliate your account to have a chance to win 100 euros from the lottery ticket scam. This is a very easy process. It will take 5 minutes maximum on your mobile device, and Swissborg is one of the biggest platforms for crypto exchanging, so this will be a great benefit for you. Now, once you get both your Swissborg and your Phantom wallet both ready, simply go to your Phantom wallet and then click swap. Whatever crypto that you might have, switch it to Solana. This is going to be the platform and the cryptocurrency that we'll use to transform it to cash. Once you have that done, switch back to your Swissborg app, and then from here, once you log in, click on the deposit on the top right, and then from here you're going to search for Solana. Once you do that, it will show you the code that you will have. Copy that. Now, once you do that, go back to your Phantom wallet and then click on send. From here, you're going to click on Solana, and then you're going to type in the address that you just copied, and you're then going to copy it right there. From here, you're going to click on next, type in how many Solanas you want, and after you finish that, go back to your Swissborg wallet. As you can see, the balance is right here on our Swissborg wallet. Now all we have to do is go to here and then click on exchange. Once you do that, you're going to search for euros, and then you're going to add the currency of euros right here. After that, you're going to fill in however much you would like to exchange in your own currency. Right now I'm using Hungarian forints, and then you're going to click on confirm. So as you can see in our portfolio, now we have euros. We click on it, and then we're going to click the right button which says withdraw, and then from here you're going to add your bank account, add whatever currency you would like, and then after you click next, you simply fill in your IBAN, and that's pretty much it. Once you put in your IBAN, you save the account and you transfer to it. They take a very small percentage, but that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.